Hello students, this is Magdalene ma'am and I am going to give some exercises based on subject verb agreement. The first statement, when you read it, the sentence that is given in the first one, the jury dash divided in their opinions. As we see in rule, we have gone through certain rules, that is 15 rules in the previous video. If you go through that rule, in that rule one collective noun will take both singular and plural verb, and in that case, suppose the jury is in singular, it may have both singular or plural according to the context given in it. This is the rule that we have read in that previous video, and so according to that rule we can use where. The jury were divided in their opinions. So next one is the Three Musketeers dash written by Dumas. So written by denotes the title of a book. So probably for the title of the book you have to use was. Separately, if you are having a subject, plural subject, musketeer is a plural subject, but still musketeers, I'm sorry, and there you can use where, but still here you have considered that as a title, and so probably you need to use was in this context. Then either he or you dash at the top of the list of selected candidates. So here either he or you, so probably whether it is or, this is the thing. So probably here you have to select either he or you, or at the top of the list of selected candidates is the answer. Or else you can write either he is at the top of the list of selected candidates. Only in the rule either or you are having is. Suppose you are having only or alone, you are supposed to use or. So I have given a wrong answer just to check you whether it is correct or not. But still, if you look at the rule is given like this: either or if you use, then you have to take only the singular verb. But here they have given either or, so probably is the right answer for this. Next, the horse and cart. The horse and cart dash at the door. The horse and cart dash at the door. So probably the horse and cart. Suppose the horse, the cart means it's two different singular subjects. But still here the horse and cart, you are considering that is only one subject, and so you are taking the verb as yes. That is the answer. Next, a car and a bike. So as I said, before the noun if you are having article separately, then you are considering that those two things as two different and singular subjects, and so you can use here are, and this is the correct answer for this. And next one, strike out the wrong words in the following sentences. 5 sentences they have given. So now you have to select it is neither or none of them. Next one is was or were. So probably when you select none, the verb will be was. Okay, neither of them was, or none of them was. Absent, that is the correct answer. Next, trust and honesty or the best policy, or you have to use two different things they are denoting, and so you have to use are. The third one you can use curry and rice was his favorite food. Was is the correct answer because you are taking these two things for one food entity, and so you are using was here. Then 8 miles, you are taking this 8 miles as particular distance, and so you are taking that as particular distance, and you are writing 80 miles is a long distance, and so this is how you have to do this. Okay, next we will try for the next one. Just wait for the next slide. So here, the use of vitamin supplements and herbs is becoming increasingly popular among Americans. The use of vitamin supplements and herbs is becoming increasingly popular among Americans. So probably here, what are we going to use? It's a be verb. The use of vitamin supplements and herbs is or which is the correct answer. So just you can think about it and you can tell the answer if you are capable of telling it. The use of vitamin supplements and herbs are becoming increasingly popular among Americans. Next one, while many studies claim that vitamins and herbs can improve health, there is a lot of controversy about their safety. So this is the correct answer here, right? Because it's related to present tense and it is not denoting past tense. So probably you are using is. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, do, in the bracket they have given do, dash not regulate vitamins and herbs. The answer will be do, because you are having two different subjects and so you have to use plural verb. Most experts here plural subject and so plural verb. Believe is the correct answer. Next, anyone, we have seen this already. Anyone means it will take only the singular verb. Anyone who takes too much of vitamin or herb could suffer negative side effects. This is the answer. The last one you are having, and the next slide you are having some more sentences, and also I'll give the answer for that. Just wait, we'll move on to the next slide. For example, some medical problems have been linked to overuse of ephedra and herb taken by people to lose weight. Okay, so here what will be the answer? Dash is given and then been linked. So the answer will be have been, because you are talking about here plural subject and so probably you have to use plural verb here. Some research, automatically you have to use research, it's a singular subject. Some research they have written and so probably singular verb you have tried. So the word is suggest. People who take, it is not takes, take is the correct answer because people is a plural form and takes is the plural takes is a singular one and so you go along with take. Take is the correct answer. Next, advertisers say that the herb kawa in the bracket they have given the verb as reduce dash anxiety and insomnia. So the answer will be reduces because advertisers say that the herb. So here they are denoting only the singular subject kawa. So probably you are using only the singular verb here. Next, using large amount of kawa. So what will be the answer? Is not wise, as muscle, eye or skin problems could result. This is the correct answer. Remaining you are having 7. You can try and you can find out the answers and you can keep this as the assignment and you can try. The last one you are having, you will see that in the next slide. So this one, I think you can try this as assignment, you can try, and if you're having any doubts in this you can ask me, I will clarify your doubts. Thanks students, meet you next time.